Hi, I'm Ina from Verdiano Technologies, and today I'm introducing a robust solution built for the financial world. It is an AI based risk monitoring system designed to automatically monitor transactions, detect anomalies, and flag suspicious activity in real time. In today's fast moving digital economy, financial institutions handle millions of transactions per day. But outdated rule based systems often miss nuanced fraud patterns or generate too many false positivities. Our AI risk monitoring system changes that. It uses machine learning models to continuously learn transaction behaviors, adapt to evolving fraud patterns, and provide real time risk scores with automated anomaly detection and flagging. It has key capabilities such as unsupervised anomaly detection, real time transaction scoring, adaptive learning based on new fraud behavior, and risk level based alert prioritization. Here's how it works. Every incoming transaction is passed through a signal processing pipeline. Features are extracted, behavioral models are applied, and transactions are flagged for review only if they breach AI detected risk thresholds. Tech behind the system: time series and pattern deviation models like isolation forest autoencoders, confidence scoring based on behavior clusters, seamless API integration with payment gateways and banking cores. This solution is built for banks and NBFCs, fintech platforms and wallets, enterprise accounting and internal audit teams, cross-border or high-risk payment processors. Use cases: detect high-frequency microfraud, flag unusual transfer patterns like round figures, time-based patterns, monitor insider threats or coordinated transactions bursts. It streamlines compliance audits with historical heat maps. With financial threats evolving every day, this AI system is your real-time intelligent firewall. If you are ready to move beyond static rules and towards real AI-driven compliance, let's build it together. Connect with us at connect@verdiano.com. Learn more at www.verdiano.com.